Have you ever thought about the feelings a visitor to a slow website must suffer?
Some crimes are simply dull and stupid. Any village sheriff can identify these crimes. The trickier cases require special equipment and training.
WebPageTest.org is the most forensic tool when it comes to detect performance crimes on websites.
In our session at SMX Advanced on Friday at 11:20, we will show you how to use waterfall charts to resolve the most common misconceptions affecting site performance. Join us if you want to solve the trickiest web performance cases on your website.